Thank you.
You're welcome. Quit fixing your hair. You look fine. It's the morning time. We're not supposed to look all put together. I'm in a robe, for goodness sake.
Yeah, whose robe?
I got it for you. You never wear it.
My robe.
I'm wearing a gray outfit. Oh, snap. And my new slippers. I'm wearing all gray. I just want to say good morning with you.
Good morning.
What are you planning today?
Showing some houses and some work done. Making some money.
All right. So when are we gonna go to the store and finish this Christmas vlog?
What is this? Like in the middle of it?
No.
We interrupt this vlog.
Well, actually, it's gonna be like a crossover because I'm doing like a day in the life, kind of like a vlog of cleaning, like a little bit of cleaning inspiration. Like after the holidays, everybody left and I have to get my house back in order. So I'm doing a little cleaning and organization vlog, but also I had to interrupt my Christmas vlog because I started cleaning up the Christmas things and cleaning up other things as well as I was doing it. As my ADHD, I can't focus on one thing and I forget that I was doing something else, so I had to start videoing.
I had a dream that, I don't know who was taking them, but I bought ADHD pills or something.
For you.
It's so weird. No.
For us. Totally for us.
It was weird though.
But that's basically it for cleaning this area. I'm going to have the vacuum run here in a minute. Well, probably later because I still have things on the ground, but I can't do until Cameron gets home because he's gonna help me hang stuff. And there's like some lights there, some lights on the couch. And those are lights for outside, I think, and I think we have other ones as well. So everything that's in here, I have to wait for Cameron, and then this is gonna go down as well because I just don't really, it's like there's 3 mantles in here, I don't really like it. And we need to figure out a new place for that camera. So this is basically done, and my ADHD got the best of me, and I already started cleaning the kitchen a bit, and I didn't film it, but I stopped and I was like, oh, I still have to film this. So I'm gonna go set this up, and you guys can move on to your kitchen too. I'm not doing the dishes because that's Cameron's chore, just so you know. child locks on whenever my sister was in town, and now I want to take them all off because I don't need them. Okay. Say goodbye to the cute little pumpkin. That's it for the kitchen. I just wiped the counters down yesterday, so I don't think I might wipe them down again actually. But yeah, just put all the false away. And then for Christmas decorations, I'm only just doing this little tree, and then I'm gonna try to keep like healthy snacks in that little, or healthy sweet treats in this little center like cake tin. I'm stealing it from my sister-in-law, but I'm gonna try to be like keeping something healthy as a sweet treat in there. You're okay. We're gonna eat. Alright, it's actually the next day. It may not seem like because I'm wearing another Nebraska hoodie, but we're gonna continue this cleaning vlog. It's been a little everywhere because I've been doing Christmas decorations and the cleaning vlog because I was cleaning up decorations for Christmas, and I'm trying to get ahead for Vlogmas. I don't know if I said anything about Vlogmas this video. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas, so make sure you guys subscribe and you like, because it really supports my channel, and I'm gonna be pumping out a lot of content for you guys this coming December. So let me know if you guys have any requests, but I'm really excited for Vlogmas because this is technically my first Vlogmas. I tried doing it last year, but it just didn't work out. Like, I just wasn't consistent enough. So yeah, I have a whole bunch of plans for this Vlogmas. So right now I'm about to, I need to do more laundry. That'll probably take the longest. So I'm gonna get my bedding and also the nursery bedding, which was a guest room, and there's my deflated bed mattress. So I'm gonna get my bedding in because it takes forever to dry. I don't know about you guys, but like my bedding just takes so long to dry. So we're gonna get that in the washer, and yeah, you guys can play some music and you guys can clean with me. Laundry. Woo-hoo. Ignore my number blocks in the back. But we're steam cleaning the couch today. We, as in I. I'm going to be steam cleaning the couch today. So first things first, I'm going to throw the cushion covers into the washer because the cats like to lay on them. And it's just like, I feel like I wash this couch every other week or at least once a month because it just gets, with just having a dog and 2 cats and a baby, like I'm always cleaning it. So that's going to probably be what I'm doing next. So I'm going to be doing that right now. I'm gonna chom first. Oh my gosh, this is how much hair that I get. I don't know if you can tell, but that's how much I get after chomming. Oh my gosh. it's supposed to soak for like a couple minutes, and while it's soaking, I normally grab the other attachment. It's really gross. I should clean that, and then I just kind of scrub it in and really work it into the fabric. So, steam clean is done. Ooh, I'm tired. I got to fluff my laundry because I started my bedding yesterday, but I totally forgot that was in the washer. I thought I had it in the dryer, and it takes forever to dry. So, we actually just slept in my sheets last night. So, yeah, I'm getting that, and then I'm gonna make my bed. And the couch still has to dry, so whenever I put the cushion covers into the dryer, it'll probably be done about the same time. I don't know, maybe not. But I have the fan on, I have the windows open, so the sun's on it. And then I was gonna do something else, but I forgot. I need to wipe down all these counters because I don't even know how we accumulated this mess so fast already. I forgot what I was gonna say, but man, this vlog has been going on for so long. I don't even know what to title it. Like maybe a couple days of cleaning because good grief, my house is a mess. I had an off day yesterday, so I didn't get much stuff done yesterday, but we're working through it. We're getting it done.